The steep hill?
Okay.
Steep hill?
That's the way we end up at houses, so it's either that way or straight.
Oh.
Whatever you want.
Mommy almost fell. I'm taking a little video.
You want to go left?
No.
Or straight?
Straight.
We go straight. Oh.
In the forest, September 16th, 2012.
Wie is lak, kijk maar.
Ew, don't touch Ian.
Ew.
Monster. Your mouth full of cookies, huh?
Come.
Mouth full of cookies. Go.
Oh.
We got another big hill to go up. Look at that one.
That's a big
I want to get Eliza Day talking when she goes up the hill. Eliza Day, is it a big hill? Let's go. Go ahead up the hill. Go, go, go. Oh! Smells good. Smells like fire. Fire. Somebody making a fire. Mmm. Oh, yay. Oh, Ian, Mama will get you. Come here, sweetheart. Careful. Say bye-bye. We're going to turn off the camera. Bye-bye.